Hi everyone, so today we have item B0643. We have it in light pink, light blue, white, burgundy, and sage. Sage has been very popular recently. It's a very light, subtle sage, and you can see all the beadwork on it has been done by hand. So the beads, the little sequins on it, and it's on an organza ground as well. Okay, so here is the burgundy. The burgundy is great for the holiday season. You can decorate your stockings. You can, if you sew scarves, anything like that. This deep burgundy color would look just beautiful on it. I've even taken it and folded it in half side by side, and you can even use it as a headband for a Gatsby party. You can kind of just sew that together, or if you have a piece of organza to go right underneath it. This white one is super popular for bridal dresses, flower girl dresses. The sequins are in silver, so it definitely pops out, and it has the little pearls on it as well. Here is the light blue and the light pink color. These ones are used for newborn doll dresses a lot. They've used it for the edge of pillows, blankets. You just want to add a little bit to a towel. It won't really get in your way. Again, this is made out of organza on the ground of it, so you want to be sure not to apply heat to it. All right, enjoy guys.